So if you have made an ILoveIMG account, then you can go ahead and access it from the top right hand side right here. And if you were to go to account settings right here, then over here you can see the profile settings where you can see your first name, last name, country right here. You want to go ahead and change that out. You can simply click on change right here just like this. And let's say you want to change the country right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say something like Rwanda right here. You can go ahead and choose a time zone accordingly right here just like this as well, and update your profile out right here. So once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. You got the time zone and everything else changed out. You can even go ahead and change out your password from over here. So you can enter out your current password, your new email, and re-enter the new email as well and change that out. Or you can go to business details right here and change out the business details right here if you are using ILoveIMG for a business as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and access out and change out the profile settings in ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.